Hello everyone. Today I have come with a small video of doodle art which age group will be 5 to 9 years. They can make this doodle art very easily, and this also will help them to increase their concentration level, and it will be a colorful art form also. Let me tell you what all we need. We need pencil. We don't need eraser, but if somebody wants, they can keep. And we need sketch pen, which is the thicker one, or a board pen like this marker pen. Black in color must be. And we need paint. It can be poster color or acrylic. Here I am going to use poster color because I feel at this age we can first introduce poster color. So let's start with our drawing. So first what we should do on our page, we have to, with the help of pencil, we'll take random strokes. So let's see my page and have a look, have an idea how I am doing it. It's basically doodling, means you have to randomly take out lines. It can be curvy ones, it can be straight ones, but it always looks good if you do it with a curve and all this kind of doodling knots. So I'm going to fill my whole page with this kind of doodling. So you can see my page is almost done. So once the page is done, the next step will be coloring. So now we got, if you see the page properly, we got different designs on the page. So we have few sectors. If you see all these sectors, we have separated with our design. So you can see this is one which we will be filling with paint. So each sector we are going to paint with different colors. So let's start our coloring. We are taking out different colors. Here we have taken crimson, poster red, orange. Color is absolutely your choice. Whatever is available right now with you, you can use yellow, green, dark green, blue, this is burnt sienna, or you can take brown also, purple, and we'll start with our coloring. It's very simple process. You can use any kind of brush and fill each sector like this. See, I am showing exactly like this. We are going to paint it. So let's start. Yes. So I'm starting right now with red color. Not red, this is crimson. I'm choosing one sector and fill it. As I said, it's your comfortability, whichever brush you will be using. You can use round brush, you can use flat brush, it's all your choice. But only thing you have to understand, or you have to keep it in mind, that the color should not go out of the line. Means if we are painting this red color, we should be keeping our red within that particular line sector. So I am doing it with red. I hope you people also will be doing along with me. It's very simple art form, but it develops your concentration level like anything. So we have filled this part completely into red. Now we'll go to our next color. So next color is your choice. If it is a dark color, go for a lighter shade next to it. So I am choosing orange next to red. So carefully we'll now fill the orange. Try to keep the color within the line. Later on, if little bit here and there, anyway later on we are going to do the outlining with black. So now we will fill all the colors. You should always give little time to get it dry also, because otherwise it will be clumsy work. So you can see I have almost filled quite a bit portion. Whatever it is, keep it colorful. So you can see I have filled everything, every corner, every small places with paint, different paint. Now it comes outlining. So with the help of the marker, I'm just outlining however you have done it with your pencil. Similar way, you just outline it. This also you do carefully. It should be on the line or the line between two colors. This we are doing only to separate two colors and give a good look. So this usually outline is mandatory for any painting to give a good look. So the similar way we have to finish the whole drawing by outlining it. I hope it was easy for you all and you have definitely enjoyed doing it. If you like the video, please do click on the like button and do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So it's almost done. So thank you for watching this and please do like it. Thank you. Take care.